An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 29 from verse 28 up to 30. At the end of the week of celebration, Laban let Jacob marry Rachel, and he gave her his servant Wildah. Jacob loved Rachel more than he did Leah, but he had to work another 7 years for Laban. So guys, it is true that uh, Jacob worked for Laban for 14 years. 7 years for Leah, the elder, and 7 years for Rachel. So, the 7 year establishment period is still applicable to Jacob. He still do it. Yes, due to the fact that she, or should I say he, had two wives. And that's the that's the will of Laban, his father-in-law. So, he need to comply to the rule of his father-in-law, and that is Laban. Because we knew Laban is a father, and the father in him wants their children or his children to be stable.